Welcome to RC's RC Cars, a channel dedicated to showing you how to build your own RC car. Today we're going to continue building this Kyosho Fantom PZF T-33 pan car kit. And this is going to be part 5. We're going to be working on step 6, which is to mount this front drive assembly we put together onto the chassis. So let's get started. So this side does have kind of a cutout here. This is kind of carved out. So I believe this is the top. You can see that there. And I'm going to orient this. It's going to be this way. And it looks like this is going to land here. And we're going to need these two plates, which looks like it's going to be these right here. And these look the same, top and bottom. And it looks like the screws are going to be these right here, these 4. And so let's try to find them. And then just to make sure, I think these are going to be for the bumper, these 2 screws. So let me set those aside. And they're going to come from the bottom. Let me try to get one in there. It's going to go into this hole right here. And then I'm going to line up that plate and try to line up the hole as well. And now I'm going to slide this piece in here. This is probably the easiest thing I've done on this kit so far. Everything has been kind of challenging. Alright, very cool. That's on there. And now let's do the same for the front. And again, I have the screws right here. We're going to need this piece. And these 2 washers that look like pucks. And then the posts themselves are going to be these right here. So again, let's start with a screw through the hole. Okay, I don't have it super tight. I am kind of leaving it kind of loose. Okay, let's see. And like I said, you want the holes to be perpendicular to the body. And that was step 6 of the build. And in the next video, we're going to be installing the servo onto the chassis. And that's going to be steps 7 and 8. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.